take a look to see how we can create videos automatically for our affiliate marketing business. Creating videos to promote affiliate products can be very profitable, but, and there's always a but, it's time consuming. You may not have the right equipment, which can be quite expensive, and you may not want to appear on camera, although that doesn't bother me, as you can see. So we need to find a solution that solves those challenges. The answer is to use software to create your videos for you automatically using image and video templates and your script. To do this, I use InVideo. Yes, there is a free plan, but you will have a watermark on your video, which isn't actually at the end of the day the end of the world, given that you can produce, I think it's 60 videos a month, which is more than I think you can possibly imagine using this free solution, although there is also a pay plan. With InVideo, the process is mostly automated, but you do have complete editorial control. And the great thing is you don't need to be on camera. It's relatively quick and it's easy to do. We need to do, of course, our keyword research first. This is always the critical first step. Looking for a topic which suits a slideshow style video. So you have to go and do your topic research, and you then also will have to prepare a short script. Now I'm going to create a short video to show you the steps involved, and I'm going to call it Roadmap to Affiliate Earnings, which ties in obviously with this course. Now I've checked the keyword on YouTube and looked for the searches. Is anybody actually producing anything for the Roadmap to Affiliate Earnings? Well, the answer is if you look at the difficulty and the competition, it's actually quite low. So it's a reasonable one to go for. And I've also looked at the autocomplete in the search at the top, and nothing came up there. I had a look too using the vidIQ plugin to see if there's an exact match keyword in the title or in the description. As you can see, it comes up with a 0 out of 20, which is great. It means nobody's actually targeting this precise keyword. So I've got a good chance for ranking with this short video. Now you have to go then to InVideo, which you can find at invideo.io, and create your free account. I already have a paid account, you won't be surprised to know, which is why I like this software. So select the text to video option and then select the YouTube landscape format. As you can see, you can produce videos for other formats, and even more clever, once you've produced a video, you can actually convert it to other formats and re-export it without having to do a great deal of work. Then find a template that you like and click to get started. Now I have found a template around technology. You should try and find one that suits your topic, and you then just click on the use this template. Now you have three options. You can add your script, you can add a URL if you've already got the content on a blog page, or you can add media. Now I'm going to go for option 1, and I recommend that you do too. So I've got my little script prepared, and I've put the title in, Roadmap to Affiliate Earnings, and copied the script in. Now you need to have each sentence on a single line. Keep the sentences pretty short, and you want about 20 sentences. I think the maximum is 50. Now you have to create this script, which means you need to do some research. So you can add the story and do it sentence by sentence as you go, or you can create the script line by line with a separate sentence for each line. So basically you can pre-write your script with your research, or you can actually build it up step by step. And what I prefer to do is to write the script out and then just copy and paste it and let InVideo do the work. Otherwise you're copying and pasting in each one as you go. You should also tick the auto suggest images and videos. Now you're almost certainly going to change a lot of these, but let InVideo populate them to start off with, and then you click on next. InVideo will then spend a few minutes putting your video together. It pulls in the media and all the rest of it, and you end up with a screen like this where you have each scene with each sentence on it. And what we need to do is to review and edit each scene slide and the image and video associated with it. And you can see on the left hand side how easy it is to search for new images with new keywords and things. And you basically, I recommend you go through every single one and change them, because the matching isn't always perfect and you can always find better content. And that's really the only manual bit you need to do about this. Now, you can also add an AI generated voiceover, or you can record your own. Now, for the purposes of this video, I've actually gone for an AI one just as an example, although I do a lot of voiceover work as well, so I'm quite comfortable adding my own voice to this. And you'll also see that I've selected British English and I've selected a girl's name. We're going to hear it at the end so you can see exactly what she says. And you can see above the Add VO to Screen that you can click on the Add Automated VO for all scenes. So once you've selected this, you can actually put them in for the whole video at one go. And then all you have to do is to go scene by scene and juggle the timing of when the scripts come in. So InVideo makes it as easy as you can imagine for you to do this. And when your video is ready, you just click export and let InVideo do the rest. So what I'd like to do is now show you the results of that video. It's only about 1 minute 50 seconds so that you can see exactly how it works.
Discover how to earn with affiliate links. Discover how to combine the benefits of YouTube and Amazon. Launch your site using a done-for-you template. Use our turnkey system, which includes all the premium plugins you will need for success. Earn by engaging people and not selling to them. Don't post products with an affiliate link on social media. Turn the funnel upside down. Engage with videos from YouTube, which you don't have to create. This is done for you automatically using our back-end software. Make sure that you include your affiliate disclaimer. Create a bespoke Facebook page for your site. This will require some work on your part. You want the videos to engage your visitors without selling. Then we match the YouTube content with Amazon content, which will appeal to the video watching visitor. If they see something they like, they will be tempted to go to Amazon and buy it. By clicking on the links in your website, which are Amazon Associates links, you have the opportunity to earn commission. To find out more, click on the link in the description below.
There you are. I hope you enjoyed that video. You can see how easy it is, and it's relatively easy to watch, and it's engaging, and it looks very professionally put together. Of course, you can post these videos anywhere on social media. As you see, you can change the format of the actual video itself to square or to suit other media formats. But if you're promoting with these videos, then I suggest you just include them on your YouTube channel. So that is how you can create videos automatically, which means that you can create content for your YouTube channel and indeed your social media channels very simply and easily. And if you go for the free plan, you might end up with a watermark, but at least you can do it at no cost. And I hope you'll find that a really helpful addition to your content creation for your affiliate marketing business.